Hi everyone, I'm Marlene, your presenter for today. Now I'm going to discuss Lesson 17, Principles in the Sounds of Oi, Men, Man, Mon, Ye, and Ya. So our discussion for today is all about the sounds of Oi. The sounds of Oi, according to the rule, is represented by a deep hook and a small circle, so this is the sounds of Oi. Example, the word toy. As you pronounce the word, you hear the sounds of oi. So therefore, we do have the sounds of letter T and oi here. So in shorthand, if we were going to write that, this is your sounds of T and upward short, upward straight line, and then followed by a downward deep hook and continuously write a small circle. That is toy, the sounds of oi. Next one, we have an example like boy. So we have the B sounds and oi. So let's have the downward curve occupying one whole of the space, then the sounds of oi. That is boy. Okay, next example, we have the word oil. Alright, we hear the sounds of oi, then the sounds of L. So this is the sounds of oi and a forward long curve, that is L. Next example, we do have the word join. Alright, this is your J, which is a downward straight line occupying one whole of the space, and then the oi sounds in a short forward straight line, that is join. Okay, so our discussion is all about the rule in man. The sounds of man is represented by joining M and N into one long forward stroke. Alright, so let's try it. Men, according to the rule, we have to join the M and N, forming straight line that is longer. So let's have an illustration so that you will see the difference. The word for instance is knee, which is represented by N and E. Alright, because K here is not pronounced. Next, the word is me. We have a straight forward line followed by a small circle. Now for the word many, there, let's follow the rule. We have to combine M and N, then add E, because Y here is pronounced as E. So regardless, whatever is the vowel in between M and N, we have to follow the same rule. Next example, we have the word man. So meaning to say, it is represented by a long forward straight line, that is man. Next, let's have one more example. The word is meant. And this is the symbol, a long forward curve, and then we do have the T sounds. Next, I'll give you an example like the word men. Since this is M and N, we have to follow the rule. We have to join M and N. There, that is the symbol for the word man. Alright? Next word is mental. So it is represented by a straight, long, straightforward line, then the sounds of T, and the long forward curve. This is now mental. We have to apply the omission of minor vowel. For the rule in men, mon, and min also applies the same rule in men. We have to join the M and N. Now let's have an example. The word is minute. So we have to use a straight a long straight forward line, and a small circle, then an upward straight line. The word is minute. Next is the word month. We have here the rule min, mon. We have to use the same symbol. Then we have here over if. Alright, so just add over if, that is month. So let's proceed with the next principle. According to the rule, ye or e is represented by an e circle, while ya is represented by a large circle, that is ya. Let's have an example for ye or e, like year. Another one is yellow, the other one is yet. Okay, so we have three words here. It says that we have to use a small circle, so we have E sounds, small circle followed by an R, that is a forward short, forward curve. This one is your year. This one, yellow, is a small circle for ye, and then an L, then O. W is omitted because it's not pronounced. Another one, yet, so we do have E and T. Now, year. If this is being used in a sentence, you have to analyze the thought, the context. It's either the word can be read as ear or where, which is a brief form. This one, yet, also analyzes how it is being used. It can be read as yet or it. So next, for the ya, like yard or yarn, sounds of ya, it says we have to use a large circle, and this is your large circle. Then an R is a short forward curve, or the combination there. That is yarn. And we have the yarn, a big circle, and then an R forward curve, then a short forward straight line. So that is your word yarn. So those are your principles in ye and ya. That ends lesson 17. So I hope you have learned a lot from this lesson. Thank you!